Hello guys, it's another cooking day and today I'm cooking beans and yam with ugu and pala fish. It's going to be very proteinous, very yummicious and tasty. Okay, so I have my honey beans, I have yam, I have ugu leaf. You can see the ugu, see it very well. It has been cut in the market, but I'm still going to wash it at home now. I have the red oil, I have pala fish, red pepper, onions, the gino maggi, salt, crayfish, and this in the bottle is called ntongo. It's the water from ntongo. It's used to make the beans to get done very fast, very quickly, so that you don't waste your gas. Okay, so I'm going to wash the ugu. I'm going to peel and pick the beans first. That's the first step, to pick the beans. The second one is to cut the yam. I'll wash the ugu. I'll peel the onions, blend the pepper. Okay, I'll show you guys when I do all those ones. I'll show you. So let's cook. I've just finished washing the beans and put it on fire. I added some of the ntongo I told you about, just a little of it, not too much, so that it will not affect the whole taste of the food. Okay, so I'm just going to cover the pot now and we'll wait for it to boil before I add a little salt to the beans. So while the beans is on fire, I was getting the other ingredients ready and everything is ready now. There's the onions, I've cut it, the ugu, I've washed it, the fish, I've washed the fish, you can see, and I cut it into small pieces. I usually use Titus, but I couldn't find Titus in the market that day because I went to market very early. Okay, and I've cut the yam into small pieces too. Then we have the pepper. I've blended the pepper. That's all the ingredients we need. You can see the crayfish, the salt, the gino maggi is ready. Okay, I'll just wait for the beans to get soft, then I'll add the yam into it. The beans is very soft now and I've added the yam to the beans. So I'm going to cover it so that the yam will get done too. See? Let me see if I can bring out the beans. It's really soft. Very soft. See? You can see how soft it is. So the yam now, I'll cover the pot so that the yam will get done too. Okay. The yam is soft now. I'll just wait for the water to dry a little. I don't want it to be watery. So I've started frying the oil. I don't want it to fry too much, the red oil. So I'm going to add the onion now. Will I be able to do this with one hand? Okay, let's try. That's the onion. I might not be able to. So then I'll just add, after this onion, I'll add the pepper and add crayfish. I'll add crayfish, add salt, maggi, the fish, then the ugu will come last because I don't want it to get overdone. Okay, All right, I'm frying the crayfish stew already. This is red oil, onion. I added onions first. I added the pepper, the crayfish, maggi, salt, and the panla fish. That's what's inside. Then you can see the yam is dry now. I don't like it watery. I like it dry. Okay, so when this is done now, a little bit, when it's done a little bit, I'll add the ugu inside. The ugu doesn't need to take so much time to get done. Then I'll bring it down and pour it into the beans and yam. Okay, I'm turning it. It's looking very lovely already and tastes very nice. I just tasted it. It's really delicious. Okay, see the fish, the onion, the pepper, the crayfish, maggi, and salt. Tastes really good. So I'm going to add the ugu inside now. Okay, I've added the ugu now. I'll just wait a little, let the ugu get done, then I'll bring it down. See, it's looking very lovely already. Yummy. So the aroma is very beautiful, very tasty already. Okay, now I'm turning it. It's done. I'm going to bring it down now and pour it inside the beans and yam and turn them together. That's all. Okay, see how beautiful it looks. This is crayfish ugu palaf stew. Try it at home. It's very delicious, very nutritious, delicious. Even children that don't like eating beans, once I cook this kind of beans, they finish it. My son finishes it and asks for more. You see how beautiful it looks already on the beans and yam? So I'm just going to turn it, and our beans and yam porridge is ready. Alright guys, our delicious beans and yam porridge is ready. If you have kids that don't like eating beans, just try this. Try this and they will be the ones to tell you, Mommy, cook beans every day. I'm telling you, my any child that I cook this for will end up asking for more. Very delicious, yummicious. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and bye.